Have you ever wondered if space-time travel is possible? Well, get ready to blast off with us as we explore the possibilities and limitations of space-time travel and uncover some fascinating and lesser-known facts about this mind-boggling concept. Don't miss out on the juicy details. Watch the entire video to discover. Let's start with the basics. Fact number 1. Did you know that Einstein's theory of relativity is the foundation of our understanding of space-time? It states that space and time are intertwined and form a four-dimensional continuum. Think of it like a big cosmic blanket where space and time are two sides of the same fabric. Fact number 2. Now that we understand how space and time are interconnected, let's explore the role that massive objects play in warping the fabric of space-time. The curvature of space-time is caused by massive objects like stars and black holes. This is what creates the phenomenon of gravity. In other words, massive objects like stars warp the fabric of space-time, causing things to fall toward them. Fact number 3. Traveling through space at high speeds is not only exciting but also has some fascinating effects on time. Let's take a closer look at how time dilation works. Zooming through space at high speeds has an unexpected side effect. Time slows down. This phenomenon is called time dilation and has been experimentally verified. So, if you could fly to the edge of the universe and back, time on Earth would have passed much more quickly than for you. Fact number 4. While wormholes may be an enticing possibility for faster-than-light travel, there's still a lot we don't know about them. Let's delve into the current understanding of these hypothetical cosmic tunnels. Wormholes are like cosmic tunnels that could be a shortcut through space-time, allowing for faster-than-light travel. But there's a catch. They might only exist in theory. No one has ever observed a wormhole, and scientists still debate whether they are possible or not. Fact number 5. The Alcubierre Drive is another theoretical concept that could potentially take us to the stars faster than light. But how does it work, and is it feasible? The Alcubierre Drive is a theoretical concept that proposes to create a bubble of space-time around a spaceship and move through it at faster than light speeds. Imagine you're on a boat, and you make a wave in the water that pushes you forward. The Alcubierre Drive is like making a wave in space-time to propel you forward. Fact number 6. While the Alcubierre Drive may offer a potential solution for space-time travel, black holes represent some of the most extreme gravitational forces in the universe. What would happen if we got too close to one? Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the universe, and if you get too close to one, you might experience spaghettification. The gravitational forces at work would stretch and compress your body until it's torn apart. So, let's keep our distance. Fact number 7. As fascinating as black holes are, there are other mind-boggling concepts in the universe, such as the relationship between speed and time. Let's take a closer look at one of these concepts. Here's an interesting thought. If you could travel close to the speed of light, time would slow down so much that you could travel into the future. But this would require speeds that are currently beyond our reach with existing technology. Fact number 8. As we continue to explore the mysteries of space, we'll discover that time is a relative concept that's heavily influenced by our surroundings. Let's see how this works in practice. Starting with the vastness of the universe itself. The universe is vast beyond imagination, and the most distant galaxies we can observe are over 13 billion light-years away. This means we're seeing them as they appeared when the universe was only a few 100 million years old. Fact number 9. Even in our immediate surroundings, time can behave differently depending on our position. Let's take a look at the fascinating phenomenon of time dilation aboard the International Space Station. Did you know that time moves slower in space? It's because the International Space Station orbits the Earth at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour, causing time dilation. Astronauts age slightly slower than people on Earth because of this phenomenon. Fact number 10. Despite the vast distances of space, we humans have managed to send objects beyond our own solar system. Let's take a closer look at the Voyager spacecraft and their groundbreaking missions. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are the most distant man-made objects from Earth. They have traveled beyond our solar system and are now in interstellar space, sending back information about the universe beyond our solar system. Before we dive deeper into the fascinating world of space-time travel, I want to take a quick moment to remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below. Now, back to the topic at hand, space-time travel. We've covered some incredible facts already, but I promise you, there's so much more to come. Fact number 11. But what if we could go even further? What if we could use the gravitational pull of a black hole to travel not just to a different part of the universe, but to a different point in time altogether? If you could travel through a black hole, you might end up in a different universe or a different time altogether. But the chances of survival are slim to none, as the gravitational forces would tear you apart. Fact number 12. While the idea of time travel may seem far-fetched, it's been a staple of science fiction for decades. Let's explore the current scientific understanding of traveling back in time. Time travel into the past might be possible, but there's a catch. You can only go as far back as the moment the time machine was created. This is because the machine would need to exist at both ends of the journey. Fact number 13. Whether we're traveling through space or time, the rules of physics still apply. Let's take a look at the ways that gravity can warp the flow of time. The closer you are to a massive object like a planet, the slower time moves. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation, and it has been observed in experiments and simulations. Fact number 14. As we continue to push the boundaries of space travel, we'll encounter some fundamental physical limitations. Let's explore why traveling at the speed of light may not be possible with our current understanding of physics. The faster you travel, the more energy is required to keep going. As you approach the speed of light, the amount of energy required approaches infinity. This is why traveling at the speed of light is not possible with our current understanding of physics. Fact number 15. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, space is still a dangerous place. Let's take a look at some of the risks associated with space travel, starting with the harmful effects of cosmic radiation. Did you know that the further away you are from Earth, the more cosmic rays you're exposed to? This is because Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field shield us from these harmful particles. So, space travelers would need to take extra precautions to protect themselves from radiation. Fact number 16. Despite these dangers, the allure of exploring the unknown continues to captivate our imaginations. Let's take a look at some recent discoveries that suggest black holes may not be the dead ends we once thought they were. Black holes might not be the end of the line after all. Recent studies suggest that black holes might have a way of releasing the matter and energy they consume in a phenomenon called Hawking radiation. Fact number 17. As we continue to learn more about space and time, we'll also encounter some fundamental laws of physics that may limit our ability to travel beyond our own solar system. Let's explore the rocket equation and what it means for interstellar travel. The rocket equation, developed by rocket pioneer Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, explains the fundamental limitations of space travel. It states that the amount of propellant required for a spacecraft to reach a certain speed increases exponentially, making interstellar travel incredibly difficult. Fact number 18. While interstellar travel may be incredibly difficult due to the rocket equation, it's important to keep in mind that the universe has plenty of other mind-boggling features to explore. The farther away we look into space, the further back in time we're seeing. This is because light from distant objects takes a long time to reach us, and the universe is expanding. So, the light we're seeing has been traveling for billions of years. Fact number 19. Now that we've explored how looking into space can give us a glimpse into the past, let's delve into a theoretical possibility that could take us even further in time. What if we could go beyond simply observing the past and actually travel through time itself? This is where the idea of wormholes comes in. If wormholes do exist, they could be used not just for space travel but also for time travel. Scientists have theorized that by manipulating the size and shape of a wormhole, it might be possible to create a time machine. Fact number 20. We just delved into the realm of science fiction with the idea of wormholes and time travel, but get this, we might not be far off from having a warp drive. We'll be looking at how science fiction is slowly becoming science fact. The concept of warp drive, made famous by Star Trek, might not be completely out of reach. Recent studies suggest that a warp drive could potentially work by stretching space in front of the spacecraft and contracting it behind, allowing the ship to travel faster than the speed of light without breaking the laws of physics. While it is still purely theoretical, it is an exciting prospect for the future of space travel. And there you have it, 20 fascinating and lesser-known facts about space-time travel possibilities. Did you know that the possibilities of space-time travel are even more mind-bending than your favorite sci-fi movie? If you want to learn more about the coolest facts in the universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite mind-boggling space fact. Let's explore the final frontier together and keep reaching for the stars.